Welcome back everyone to what is a freezing cold January morning in 2022. First video of the year, so welcome back and happy new year to everyone. Hope everyone's in good health. Thank you for continuing to watch the videos. Obviously if they are useful, please like, please subscribe, and I'll be making lots more content this year. I've got some big exciting videos coming up. Mainly sort of the ambient lighting, which I've been looking forward to for the Smart, a couple of other things on sort of got Land Rovers, and we're moving into motorbikes as well now, so look to see them as well on the channel. Obviously today we are looking at the dust filter, which sits inside the engine bay, forms part of the major service where you'd have your dust filter, pollen filter and air filter. This thing, it takes a couple of minutes to do. You don't need any tools. And it's something that you can do yourself, as much as the air filter and the pollen filter, which cuts down on costs when it comes to servicing. Because realistically, unless you like getting messy, you could literally just get a garage to do the oil filter, an oil change, and then the rest you could do yourself on your driveway with minimal tools and minimal effort. So we'll get into the video, and I'll explain what we do as we go along. Okay, so this is the filter you're going to need. I'll stick a picture up on the of the code and so on, number. Basically, under the engine bay, you're looking underneath this cover. I believe in the American models it is on the other side. However, obviously in the UK it's on the right hand side of the engine bay. As you look at it, it's held on in this case by two clips. You've got two turn clips, one here, and you're literally turning them through 90 degrees just to unlock them, and then all you do is you lift this up and it slides out. Now, so basically your filter sits in here. Now along the top you've got little slots that the filter housing sits down into, and at the side, one here on here, you've got just two prongs that sit out. So all you have to do is just give it a push that out, give it a wiggle, and the same on the other side. Just push the tab out a little bit, give it a wiggle, and then it should just slide up, and then that's it. And inside here is your filter. When taking the filter out, just be mindful of the direction. Now on here, luckily enough, on the side here it's got the arrow facing downwards, so I tend to just leave that like that. When you get the new one, as you can see, it's got the arrows as well, so the airflow was pointing down on this one. So take that one out, slide the new one under, and that is as simple as it comes when it changing the filter. So with this, like I say, you've got your 5 tabs on the top and 5 tabs there. So I tend to just put it down at an angle, make sure they're all on, and then push slightly at the front, and that's that in place. The only thing left to do is just to slot your cover back in place. And that is as easy as it comes for changing your dust filter. Obviously if the video was helpful, please give it a like, give it a subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.